Welcome. Today, we're going to help support you with a grounding meditation you could use for a felt sense of safety or to use it every morning to set off your day with intentionality or any moment of your day, really. So, I want you to start by sitting in a comfortable position. You could also be lying on the ground, but today we'll be doing seated with your feet on the ground. If it supports you to put a rod, it can even be a pencil, something so that you feel something underneath your feet touching the ground. It gives you more of a sensation and grounded feeling. And when you're ready, put your hand on your heart, if possible, where your skin can touch, your fingers can touch your skin. And if it feels right, you can close your eyes and start taking some breaths. Start to relax your body. Notice any tension in your neck or your shoulders or anywhere. When you're ready, breathe in energy into your heart center. Take a few more breaths, feeling the area fill with energy. And then begin to imagine a beam of light or cord going down from your heart center to below your belly button and between your pelvic area. It's a dantian. It's an energy center. You can feel the energy coming in from your heart to that area. And put your hand there if you want. Take a few more breaths. When you're ready, imagine or feel that beam of light or cord going from your heart center to your dantian, down through your legs, through your feet, and into the center of the earth. Imagine or feel these cords or beams going deeper and deeper into the earth. You want to feel like you're going into the center of the earth and you're grounded and you know you're safe here, you're supported. Imagine Mother Earth being your supporter, your grounding energy. Go as deep as possibly can. Keep going. Miles and miles into the earth. When it feels right, breathe in the fiery energy from the earth and feel it coming up the cords or the beams, up through your feet, and through your legs, and into your pelvic area. When it feels right, take another breath in and imagine you're breathing up all of that energy from Mother Earth through your legs, through the pelvic area, up through your torso into your heart center again. Take another breath. Breathe in through your feet and your legs and feel that energy going all the way up through your torso, up through your head and through your crown chakra on top of your head. And it's going a few feet above your head. This is where your higher self lives. This is you at your best with all of your gifts, your talents, your abilities. It's your truth. You can bring that energy, that essence back down into your heart. So imagine the beam, the energetic feeling coming down into your heart center. You can also, if it feels right, imagine flecks of gold coming down or any color of energy coming down into your head, your shoulders, your whole body, nourishing all of your cells. When it feels right, imagine this energy center that's in your heart and you have the essence of who you are really integrated into you. Imagine that energy coming out and expanding around you, above your head and below your feet, almost creating an eggshell filled with all of who you are. Again, your essence, your truth, your strengths, your abilities. Just to take a moment to breathe all of this in, to notice it all around you. And if it feels right to you, take this energy from your heart and extend it out to family, friends, loved ones, people who support you, people who you want to support, your favorite animals. Imagine nourishing all of that with your energy. When you're ready, take that energy back in and know this is who you are and it's with you always and you have access to it always. When it feels right, open your eyes and know you have this essence with you and the support of your grounding energy.